Mzansi, love, marriage, and money are colliding in this one. TV personality Phumeza Shoba has reportedly filed for divorce from her husband, musician Mngcobi Shoba, after 11 years of marriage and 18 years together. Yes, almost 2 decades just like that. According to reports, Phumeza pulled the plug in July 2025, accusing Mngcobi of cheating, and things got serious real quick. Sources say the couple is married out of community of property with Akural, and Phumeza now wants an equal share of their estate, including their Porsche and Volvo SUVs. Fancy fights only. She's also reportedly asking for 45,000 a month in spousal maintenance plus 5,000 for their partially blind son. The real drama. Insiders say Phumeza first tried to end things quietly, no lawyers involved. But Mngcobi, who's apparently been out of the country for months, didn't play along. What makes this messier is that earlier this year, Mngcobi was online celebrating 18 years of love with his wife, while divorce papers were already loading. Social media is buzzing, opinions are flying, and Mzansi is watching closely.